Are you all ready for round one? I don't think you are. Okay. Hey, and here we are. Here's my ghetto little setup. I prefer sitting on the ground whenever I do my hair. It's just more flexible. I can sit however I want. I can reach everything. It's all good. I like using the Manic Panic Flash Lightning Kit because it comes with everything you need. I still don't understand what I'm doing. So what I'll be using, this is not exactly the color that I wanted, but they didn't have the one I was looking at. I was wanting to do the Froze. It's more a lighter pastel-y pink. So that's why I got the diluter, so I can throw that in and hopefully give it a more lighter tone. I don't know though, with being freshly bleached, my hair probably won't absorb the color as good anyway, so maybe I won't have to. I don't know. All right, let's do this. I also last time I washed my hair, I went hard trying to like wash out as much blue as I could, but this aquamarine is too good. It's still pretty prominently there, like, I don't know, like I'm really curious how well the bleach is gonna take that out. I don't know, we're gonna try anyway. I got 2 kits just in case, so I don't run out or in case I need to do it again. I mostly wanted to do this because my roots were really bad, and like yeah, they're just awful, so. And I wanted to try a new color anyway, so this will be good. I'm about to add this. I don't want to get it everywhere.
Bruh.
Yeah, it got everywhere. My God. I'm gonna sneeze. There's dust everywhere. Well, the good news is I got most of it inside there. I'll just have to do a little cleaning later. All right, now for the developer. Cool. Now we take the little brush they gave you and mixy. We just play these things by ear. We don't think things through. No, we just do. This isn't supposed to be as displeasuring as it is because I'm stupid. Oh, it's like all lumpy. Kind of looks like when your milk expires and you go to pour it in your cereal and there's like these weird like white spots and chunks everywhere. But then you eat it because you're hungry and you don't have any more milk and then you regret your life. So, oh God, that's strong. Whew. So moral of the story is mix all the chunkies out and don't drink rotten milk. Bark, bark. Pretty smooth. Holy shit. That fucking stinks. Okay. My eyes are stinging. Ventilation's probably a good idea, but I wanted to keep the dog out of the room, and these old ass windows are just a pain in the ass to open, so I'm probably going to end up gassing myself in here, but it's fine, it's fine. The thing we do for hair. Okay, we're gonna start. I also got my iPad so I can watch things while I do my hair because otherwise this is boring. Oh, wow, Touch ID worked through these gloves. That's impressive, Apple. Nice. Why'd you get rid of it? Face ID sucks. Okay, here we are. I haven't done my roots yet, but it's starting to lighten up. Looking a little green, but yeah, I'm gonna start my roots, leave it in a bit. I might have to do a round 2 of it, though I don't really want to, but hopefully we can get that nice light color. Okay, we got the bleach in. I couldn't really tell where the roots were that weren't done and weren't done, so I kind of just YOLO'd it. So we're gonna leave it in for 15 to 20 minutes, then I'll rinse it out, and then I'll see if there's any spots I missed, and then that's where the second box will come in handy, and then I can touch it up or see if I need to lighten it. So we're gonna put the cap on, and then we'll let that sit, and we'll be back. Are you all ready for round one? I don't think you are, because my hair did not take as good. Okay. Oh my god. Holy shit. Yeah, halfway starting into the bleach, I realized I should have sectioned off my hair, and then it kind of became a mess, and then I had to do my roots, and I couldn't find where my roots. Yo, this is the new like tiger leprechaun look 2020. If anything, this is a testament to how freaking good that aquamarine color is. Holy shit. This is a bitch to get out. Holy fuck. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to do a round 2 of bleach. I just washed it out. And yeah. Especially, I definitely missed the back. There's some really strong blue back here and black. But this is why we buy 2 boxes, okay? So I have a whole other kit, so I can just redo everything. I didn't want to, because I'm going to fry the absolute living shit out of my hair. But who cares? I need that bleach. I need that bleach look so we can get the pink in. Maybe I should just embrace this. I'm still laughing. This is funny. This is fine. I was planning on getting hair. Oh, hang on. We got some purple or whatever the heck is going on here. Wow, I didn't even know what to call this color. Holy shit. Yikes. Alright. Yeah, I'm probably gonna have to get a haircut. But we're gonna wait for this to dry, and we're doing round 2. Send your prayers. Oh yes, this is how we pass time. I'm so pretty, 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 it's so very pretty. I look like a troll doll. So yeah, this is why when you have curly hair, you don't A, brush it out and blow dry it. Jesus Christ. Yeah, it is definitely pretty fried at the ends, which it happens. It's fine. I was gonna get a little trim. This is fine. We're going in for round 2 with the bleach. I didn't want to have to do this, but my roots did not take, and the blue is still there, so I'm probably just gonna focus on the mid to root section. I'm just gonna live with it. We're gonna do what we can to salvage this disaster. We will get there. Oh my goodness. This is kind of funny. I almost low-key want to leave it like this and just own it. I don't even know what to fucking call this. Alright. Round 2 of the bleach is on. My scalp is burning. Alright, we're putting the bag on. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, this bleach turns back into powder. Alright. Everything is on fire. It's already looking much lighter. I'm definitely gonna have to probably cut off a lot of the ends. Let's hope this gets light enough so I can add the pink and it won't form into some monster color Tick tock, we'll check the clock. Then we'll wash this shit out and see where we at. You know, I ain't gonna lie, but my scalp kinda on fire. This is why I didn't want to have to do this twice. Cause I had to wash out my hair. This shit, it's noticeable. Like, I'm not dying, but like, it's there. I'm trying to distract myself by playing Wii U again, but damn, this is gonna be a rough one. Well, here is where we're at. Yeah, so it's not desirably ideal, but you know what? I tried. This is the best we're gonna get, I guess. Plus, I'm out of bleach, I'm out of patience. This is taking way longer than it should have, but whatever. This is probably my fault for not taking the blue out properly, but whatever. We're learning, you know. It's still pretty light, just a little hint of green on it. And then, yeah, my scalp is really like a golden color. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna use the diluter. I think I'm just gonna go straight, just use the pink. This smells so good. Yeah, I'm gonna go straight into using this because I don't know what we're gonna get out of this. I used a anti-residue shampoo. I washed it twice just to make sure all the residue, the bleach was out so it doesn't dilute the pink any bit. Because we're gonna get something funky happening with all this color we got going on here. So this is amateur hour on how to bleach your hair without anything extra. We'll see what happens. You know, I'm actually pretty, like the bottom part went pretty good. Like, it's white. It's just my roots. Little yikes, and then there's a little bit of blue patches here and there, but it is now time for the coloring process. All right, I got my gloves, I got my clips, I got my crusty mess. You know, I'm not really mad with this color. It's kind of really, really dynamic. My hair is just crusty AF though. Hi. Yeah. We're gonna see what kind of Frankenstein color I get after this. I might have to cut my hair. I'm gonna have to leave this in for like hours. This stuff does miracle work. We'll see. This is... yikes. Okay, I got me hair up. I gotta say, my methods may be a little uncanny, but this is what I do. Just a simple old, like, just dump it in my glove. Oh wow, that is pink. Look at that. Ooh, that is bright. I don't know, looking at that, I'm kind of like tempted to use the diluter, but I don't think it's gonna show up if I do it in my hair right now. Well, I think we're gonna do this bright ass pink, see what happens, and then in the future it'll be easier to go to a lighter pink. So we're just gonna freaking put this in. Oh wow. Oh my. You know what? I think this is gonna be fine. Every time I dye my hair directly after bleaching it, the color is always lighter than what it is. So, and you know, I'm not anal about this. This is fine. This is gonna be very, very interesting. Ooh. All right, this smells great. Ooh, it's so pink. Oh my god. It's so pink. I kind of love it. I really love it. I can't wait to see what we get. I don't regret this at all. None. Not at all. We're gonna get the color that we get. It's so pink. I Like, I don't know what I expected. This is so cool. I love this. This is, ooh. Pink hair. I had once unintentionally pink hair, but it was more of like a darker purpley pink. It was supposed to be purple in the first place, but yeah, it came out the brightest magenta I've ever seen. It was kind of lit, but not what I wanted. But I mean, you know, this is fashion at its finest. Best hairdo ever. We're almost done. Oh my god. It's looking a little orange though. I don't know, we're gonna leave it on for a while. I have become a bubblegum drop. Ah! Okay, here we are. Very not consistent, but that's expected, but you know, we're gonna have some interesting tones when this washes out. I'm a little worried that there's still bleach in there because it's kind of white everywhere. I don't know. I'm gonna put it up for a few hours, wash it out, and we'll see what happens. Well, this is how it turned out. Totally not what I expected. My roots look like I colored them with a highlighter, but it's fine. It's not, like, it's probably not gonna show up that well on the camera. It's kind of, there's some spots that are a little bit like where the pink didn't take, but I'm actually, oh yeah, look at this. I'm actually really happy with this color. I didn't want something too intense. I'm kind of digging this. This is cute. Though that was an ordeal and a half. I would recommend waiting a longer period of time to let darker colors fade out of your hair. And 2, there's probably a much smarter way to take out the darker colors. Or like, there's like toners or shampoos or something. More smarter ways than what I did. I'm kind of lazy and impatient, and I did this really shitty. Of course the ends were super fried from the bleach, so I had to like do a little chopping. I'm gonna have to go get an actual haircut. There's still a lot of oof. But bangs are back, baby. So yeah, this was my experience. This is what I've learned. This is probably a really shitty way of doing this, but it worked in the end. It's fine. Also, Brad Mundo, if this ever ends up on your React reel, please don't judge me. I like this. It's cute. I'm gonna get a haircut. Gonna be more cute. Yeah. This is my hair now. Okay. Well, that's what happened to me. Going dark blue to whatever the hell this is. Pink. Alright, well that's all I got. So, yeah. Thanks for watching, and don't be like me. Bye.